Hi guys, welcome to
Feed me good!
Since the festive season is around the corner, today we'll be making chocolate truffle with a scrumptious pan filling. This is an easy recipe with only 5 ingredients and it is loved by kids and adults equally. So let's get right to the recipe. Take a small mixer grinder jar, 7 beetle leaves, also known as pan leaves. Cut it roughly with the help of a scissor or a knife and put it inside the jar. To this, we will add 150 grams or half cup of condensed milk. Blend it into a smooth mixture and refrigerate until further use. Now we'll take a pan and add 1 cup or 100 grams of desiccated coconut, also known as coconut bura. We'll roast our coconut on a low flame and we'll keep stirring or else it will start burning. We'll do this till the coconut is lightly toasted. It will take about 2 minutes to achieve this. It will also become very fragrant, so you'll understand that it is done. While our coconut is toasting, scroll down a bit and hit the like button. Please make sure to do this. It is a great way to support us. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe. Now we will add our pan and condensed milk mixture. Mix it all together and check for sweetness. In case you want it to be a little more sweet, add more condensed milk at this stage. I am also going to add a bit of green organic food color. This step is absolutely optional. You do not need to add this. I am just adding it for more visual appeal. Mix it all together. This entire process is done on a low flame, so make sure you maintain that. I am now adding gulkand. You can add it earlier as well, but I add it in the end so that it remains a little chunky. Turn off the flame now and let it cool for a bit. While it is still warm, we will make round balls out of the mixture that we've prepared. Since we've added gulkand, the mixture will be a bit sticky, so make sure that you oil your hands in advance. Take about 1 teaspoon of the mixture and form round balls. We'll be able to make about 16 to 18 round balls. You can make bigger or smaller pan balls depending on the size of the chocolate truffles that you want. Keep repeating this till the entire mixture is over. Add more oil to your palms in between if required. Now it is time to refrigerate these pan balls. We will put it in the refrigerator section of the fridge for about 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am going to melt some white compound chocolate to coat our pan balls. I am taking 150 grams of white compound chocolate. I will be using the microwave to melt this chocolate. I have just roughly chopped my white chocolate to make it easier to melt. Now put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. After 30 seconds, just run a fork or a spoon through it so you'll understand if it's melted or not. If it has not melted well, put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and keep repeating till it melts properly. Now that our white chocolate has melted well, we will remove our pan balls from the refrigerator. Remember that the chocolate is supposed to be warm, whereas the pan balls are supposed to be cold. With the help of a fork, we will coat our pan balls with melted chocolate and place it gently on a well-oiled plate. Repeat this process for all the pan balls. If the chocolate hardens, put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds to make it warm and of the perfect melted consistency. Once we are done with this, we will drizzle a bit of dark chocolate on our coconut chocolate pan truffles. This is an optional step, you do not need to do this. I am drizzling couverture chocolate on this, which is honestly not the easiest to work with, so it is better to use a piping bag. And that's it guys, our coconut chocolate pan truffle is ready. They are absolutely lip smacking, and another plus point is that they last for up to 2 weeks, so your entire festive season's sweets requirement is sorted. Do give this a try and leave a comment with your questions, feedback, suggestions, or any other thing that you would like to share with us. Let the festivities begin.